Question 14. Find the lowest common multiple of 15 and 9. Now, some people get mistaken with this and think that all they've got to do is multiply 15 by 9, and that will give them the lowest common multiple. Now, this actually does work for some, times them together, but not for everything. So I wouldn't rely on that method because you could get lucky, but also you could also get it completely wrong. So 9 times 5 would be 45. 9 times 1 is 9, plus 4 is 13. But that does not mean that 135 is going to be the lowest common multiple, as you're about to see. So if we go up in 15s, we would go 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, 90. Now, I always recommend that you do 6 in each list. You may not need 6, but 6 is a good number to do to try and get the lowest common multiple. If that isn't enough, you might have to do some more, but we'll soon find out. Now we'll do multiples of 9. So 9, 18, 27. We're just going up in 9s. 36, 45. Now, I'm actually going to stop there because you might say, well, why is he stopping there? He's only done 5. He just told us to do 6. Well, we're looking for the lowest common multiple. Common means in both lists, and we're looking for the lowest one that's in both lists. So as soon as you see one that appears in both lists, you can stop. And when I wrote this 45, that's the first number that also appears in the other list, because 45 is in the other list. Therefore, the lowest number that appears in both lists is going to be 45. So the LCM, the lowest common multiple, is 45. Now, had you actually continued both lists, you would have eventually got to this 135 down here. But so that would have been a common multiple. 135 would be in both lists, but it's not the lowest one, as you're about to see. So had we gone up again, we would have got to 105, then 120, then 135, and there is 135. And as you kept going up in 9s, you would have gone 54, 63, 72, 81, 90, 99, 108, 117, 126, and 135. So you would have had to gone up a long way before you got 135 in both lists. There are other multiples as well. You can see 90 is also a common multiple because that's in both lists, but we're looking for the lowest one. So the final answer to this question was 45.